really boring video on something that someone's mislabeling on YouTube again, because of course they are. That's an asteroid, not a damn comet. Okay, this is the 16th. I'm going to skip ahead a day. By the way, the Sky Live, it's supposed to be century, year, month, day, then hour, minute, then second. Why did you do this? So anyway, let's skip ahead a day. Here it is in all its anti-glory. That's the rest of our solar system. And I like to thank them for including Pluto, even though officially we're not supposed to. Anyway, there it is. Yesterday, we tacked once. It crosses the pathway with Earth. And right about there is when Earth and it would have achieved a Nibiru. That's what the word means. It means conjunction. So there. So it would have taken 2 days for it to be in the same space that was at one time occupado by the Earth. And I've got the set to 1 second equals 6 hours and resumed in as much as possible. So let's watch this exciting near-death experience of Earth that we're off by 2 days. Please understand that you can miss the Earth if you're off by 7 minutes. On a solar system scale, if you don't have the positioning and timing down to 7 minutes, when it takes 7 years to traverse the entirety of our solar system from the outer planets to here, if you're off in 7 years of travel, if you're a spaceship loaded with little green aliens, and you're off by 7 minutes, you'll miss the Earth entirely. You won't even be within its gravitational pull range for anything that would be of the size that we imagine any kind of ship being. You'd have to be a pretty large item to be deflected. You'd be within the gravity well, but you'd definitely miss the Earth, and you would be, by definition, if you were able to go into our solar system fast enough that it only took 7 years, you'd be at escape velocity for our solar system and for Earth. So unless you nail the sun, you're leaving and not be able to come back. That's a lot of inertia. But anyway, here we go. We're going to animate it. I can't zoom in anymore, so I can, play some dramatic music. So here we go. Everybody ready for the death? Okay, this is the 15th, and then we'll go forward. You can just hear the screaming, like you're on a ride at the park or something. So yeah, that's the asteroid impactor, and again, it was over a 2-day period of time that it went through sluggishly. I'll leave a link to this so you can play around with it too. But yeah, that's really it. It's not a damn comet. So anyway, there's only like 3 videos that mention it recently. And if you're watching this, you got to be massively bored. Anyway, the reason people mislabeled this a comet, and I'm going to do the same thing to be a jerk about it, is because we're going to be visited by an actual comet someplace around here sometime. And usually it was that people would assert their faith and the reasonableness of their belief system being taken seriously by constantly claiming, I'm a Christian, or whatever religion, and lie about a comet hitting the Earth and telling everybody that this is a sign of some sort, and then wearing people down spiritually and emotionally by lying to them about everything. Yeah, I'm a fun boy. Now, I want to point out something that's actually useful in this video, just for a second. That is our galaxy over there. That's literally the galaxy over there, that thing, not the bright spot with the sun in it. And I'm going to zoom out to where we can actually, we're going very fast now. We're going out far enough that, again, to go from out here, or even Neptune, in, to be able to run into the Earth takes 7 years, okay? But I wanted to point out the orientation, as you can tell, relative speaking to our galaxy, the bulbousness of our galaxy. We're going around it this direction, and we're kind of like a tilted flapjack flying through space. The funny part about this is that the one thing that's at least kind of oriented with it, kind of quinkadinkly, if you tilt your head and get a neck ache, is that insignificant thing called Pluto. Its axis of tilt almost matches, going at almost a perfect 90-degree angle to our galaxy. Just kind of funny. Anyway, I'll leave a link to the thing so you can all look at the non-event of this doohickey flying through space and not doing a dang thing to us. And it'll do it again if it can swing it around over to there sometime and tag us on the backside. Bye.